Namaste. My name is GVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is Personal Influence Theory. यानी कि आज इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम बात करेंगे पर्सनल इन्फ्लुएंस थ्योरी की, मीन्स पर्सनल इन्फ्लुएंस थ्योरी ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. The two flow of communication model says that most people form their opinions under the influence of opinion leaders, who is turned the influenced by the mass media, in contrast to the one-step flow of the hypodermic needle model or magic bullet theory, which holds that people are directly influenced by mass media. According to the two-step flow model, ideas flow from mass media to opinion leaders and from them to a wider population. Opinion leaders pass on their own interpretation of information in addition to the actual media content. The theory is based on a 1940s study on social influence and states that media effects are indirectly established through the personal influence of opinion leaders. The majority of people receive much of their information and are influenced by the media second hand through the personal influence of opinion leaders. The two-step model says that most people are not directly influenced by mass media and instead form their opinions based on opinion leaders who interpret media messages and put them into context. Opinion leaders are those initially exposed to a specific media content and who interpret it based on their own opinion. They then begin to infiltrate these opinions through the general public, who become opinion followers. These opinion leaders gain their influence through more elite media as opposed to mainstream mass media. In this process, social influence is created and adjusted by the ideals and opinions of each specific elite media group, and by these media groups opposing ideals and opinions, and in combination with popular mass media sources. Therefore, the leading influence in these opinions is primarily a social persuasion. The two-step flow of communication model hypothesizes that ideas flow from mass media to opinion leaders and from them to a wider population. It was first introduced by sociologist Paul Lazarsfeld and elaborated by Elihu Katz and Lazarsfeld in 1955 and subsequent publications. Melville Diffewer and Shannon Lowry argue the book was much more than a simple research report. It was an effort to interpret the author's research within a framework of conceptual schemes, theoretical issues, and research findings drawn broadly from the specific study of small groups. Unlike the hypodermic needle model, which considers mass media effects to be direct, the two-step flow model stresses human agenda. For example, For example, in the field of science communication, Matthew Nisbet describes the use of opinion leaders as intermediaries between scientists and the public as a way to reach the public via trained individuals who are more closely engaged with their communities, such as teachers, business leaders, attorneys, policymakers, neighborhood leaders, students, and media professionals. Examples of initiatives that take this approach include science and engineering ambassadors sponsored by the National Academy of Sciences and science booster clubs coordinated by the National Center for Science Education. According to Lazarsfeld and Cards, mass media information is channeled to the masses through opinion leadership. The people with most access to media and having a more literate understanding of media content explain the diffuse the content to others. Based on the two-step flow hypothesis, the term personal influence came to illustrate the process intervening between the media's direct message and the audience's reaction to that message. Opinion leaders tend to be similar to those they influence based on personality, interests, demographics, or socio-economic factors. These leaders tend to influence others to change their attitudes and behaviors. The two-step theory refined the ability to predict how media messages influence audience behavior and explains why certain media campaigns do not alter audiences' attitudes. This hypothesis provides a basis for the two-step flow theory of mass communication. Thank you.